Welcome to my channel, Gadgets for Gentlemen. On the left here we have one of my favorite watches. This is the Seiko Sarb033, which is a JDM model, a Japanese domestic market watch. It's no longer in production, unfortunately. I really like this piece. I love this signed crown. And we have exhibition case back. I wear it on this brown leather NATO strap by Zulu Diver. And in this video I will show you what the watch looks like on a Strapcode metal bracelet. So this watch originally comes on a beautiful metal bracelet by Seiko. I had some issues with this bracelet. A lack of micro adjustments. I think there was only one or two, and I just couldn't find the proper fit with the original metal bracelet, and that's why you see it. I threw it on this leather NATO strap, but I think even prettier is to wear it on a Hirsch leather watch strap. Here on the right we have one of my other favorite watches. This is the Seiko Sarb017, also known as the Alpinist. And it has this beautiful green dial and all these golden details. We also find a signed crown, which I think is really pretty. And here we have that Alpinist shield. So I wear this one on a beautiful leather watch strap by Color Wrap. Just an excellent watch strap. The original watch strap of this watch, in my honest opinion, is quite poor. I like this leather strap a lot, but when I saw on this website called Strapcode, I saw a metal bracelet for this particular version. I was sold. So this is the metal bracelet that I purchased. This is the brand name. It's called Strapcode, and in the watch community they're highly regarded. These are not your cheapest kind of metal bracelet, but yeah, they're well known, and they're very popular. So I wanted to try it out. So what happens is this Strapcode company, it makes metal bracelets specifically to, for example, this watch case. So it should fit properly. Let's open up this one. So there we go. So that's a beautiful diver clasp. Very solid. Beautiful execution. And this is what I like. I hope the camera catches these holes. These are micro adjustments, which allows you to really find a proper fit. So for example, in the summer, my hands, they would swell up a little bit, and then with a spring bar or two, you can easily change this pin to one of these other holes, so you have some more space where you can go for a tighter fit. So I usually would carry one of these spring bar tools in my backpack or in my travel pouch. So let's get rid of some of the plastics. And meanwhile, let's quickly throw in a quick wristwatch check. So this is the newest G-Shock in my collection, and it runs on solar energy. So really happy about this watch. And also a very cool feature is it the time is according to radio control. I think here it's connected to the radio in Germany. Oh, do you see that? That is a spring bar that it comes with. So that's really cool. Should not lose this one. And the end comes with this rubber thing. So that's the brand name, MiLTAT, that protects the end link that we can find here. So these are all very solid. Let's take off this plastic. Beautiful executed. So here we have some kind of, please fill me in if you know the answer. Here we have some information, MT065. I hope this is something related to the referring to the end link, because I literally don't know if this bracelet belongs to the Sarb033 or if this belongs to the Alpinist. I ordered these bracelets at the same time, and so I might Google this just to make sure that I throw it on the right watch. And here again we have that brand name, MiLTAT, and if you see closely, I think we have a slight taper down to the bracelet, and it's really, really beautiful. Really like this part, which is much thicker compared to my standard metal bracelets. For example, all my SKX divers. And that's very solid. Did you hear that click? So there we go. I think this is completely the same strap. Got the same diver buckle and end link. Let's have a closer look. So I hope you can read this. This one reads 68, and this is 65. So let me just do a quick Google search, and let's see what bracelet belongs to what watch. So what do we have here? Here we have the 68, which belongs to the Sarb033. So this is one combination. And the 65 belongs to the Alpinist. So this is the second part of the video. I just finished putting my Sarb033 on this Strapcode oyster style bracelet. And I'm super happy with the result. And here on the right we have the Alpinist that I also put on the oyster style Strapcode bracelet. And I removed 4 links on each of these bracelets. Let's bring them a bit closer. So these are the links that I removed. 4 pieces. And the bracelet works. Let me try to demonstrate. The bracelet works with these, I don't know how to, screws, I don't know how to say it. It basically is a pin with a spring and a flat screw. Hope you can see this. So we have a spring, we have a flat screw, and we have a pin. So these links are really easy to remove. All you need is a flat screwdriver, a small flat screwdriver, and undo them, and you can screw them tightly. I just had one issue that I want to show you here, and I think I will contact Strapcode over this issue. I had this issue with just this link, this particular pin. I couldn't remove this pin from this bracelet. So what you do is you have the flat screwdriver, and as you can see here, I can rotate as much as I like, but the screw will not get undone, unlike the other links. I don't know why, but it's bothering me. See, I don't know why, but this pin or the screw will not come out. I don't use these links because I have very tiny wrists, only 6.3 inches, so I'll just leave it here. But I'll contact Strapcode about this particular link. Maybe they can send me a spare link with a proper working pin with the screw, just to compensate. So once again, let me throw it on the wrist. We have this very solid lid that we can undo. We have these push down buttons. Yeah, very solid hardware. And it was quite easy to put the watch on this metal bracelet. We have solid end links with these spring bars here in the end. Yeah, let's focus here. It was quite easy. It was quite easy, really, to throw it on this metal bracelet. There we have this very solid lock, and this is what it looks like. The Sarb033 on this brushed metal bracelet by Strapcode. Really like it. Now let's change perspectives and go to the Alpinist. So that is the Sarb033. Now let's move to the Alpinist. So I went for this brushed metal bracelet because I think it suits the case quite nicely, and I want all the attention to go to that beautiful watch face, to the dial. I also saw one that came with a two-tone, which is like gold plated, on a Jubilee bracelet. I think that would also look very pretty on this watch. Might buy that one in the future. Very solid hardware also. Now let's throw it on the wrist. Again, solid click. And there we go. That's the Seiko Sarb017. And also for this bracelet, I removed 4 links, as you can see here. All of these links were working properly. I had no issue with the pin. So 6.3 inches wrist. And what I did with both of these bracelets is I played with these micro adjustments. In the beginning of the video you can see that this side of the bracelet is located with the pin in the very end, and I changed the pin to the middle position, and that way I have a tight fit. So very easy to change the length of about the link, really. I mean, this is quite a distance. So Strapcode, yeah, definitely consider this option if you want to go for an aftermarket option for the bracelet of these watches. Really like it. I can highly recommend this bracelet, but I do want to point out the issue I have with this link. I think that's only fair enough to give you full disclosure, but I'm pretty sure Strapcode will get back to me about this issue, and we'll probably solve the issue. I'm really happy about these bracelets. I always wanted to throw these watches on a metal bracelet, and yeah, it makes it so versatile, really, these two watches. This is definitely the most dressy out of the bunch. This is a bit more two-tastic with a bit of a dressy appeal, and really happy. I think I'm gonna save some money to go for the Jubilee version. Yeah, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find it useful, then please hit the like button. And if you want to stay tuned for more videos to come, there's quite some videos that I will upload regularly on this channel, then please click on the subscribe button. So thanks again, and I hope to see you soon.